Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Coachmen Catalina Trailblazer, which is their toy hauler model. This is a new 30 TH that is a really nice floor plan. Lightweight considering the size, only weighs about 7,500 pounds. It does have the fuel station. It's got a rack on top so we can put a portable generator up on top there if we want. It's kind of that floor plan that if you have a lighter model truck, don't want to spend the extra money to buy the heavy duty truck to pull a toy hauler, this may be an ideal toy hauler for you. It's got plenty of cargo space, nice kitchen arrangement, big bathroom, and a nice private front bedroom. So a really nice floor plan in the Catalina Trailblazer in a lighter weight toy hauler that may be in some cases hard to find. So on the inside of this Catalina, very nice floor plan. It's built above the fender wells, so there's no interior fender wells on it, so it makes it easy to load your wider toys or whatever you're going to put in here. A nice big portable table that can go between the opposing dinette, can be set outside underneath the awning or out on the back patio, wherever we want to put it. And it is a very nice sized table, so very convenient there. Nice big TV. This one has the bunk bed above on the electric Happy Jack system with the opposing dinette. Has the rear screen wall, the patio deck with the patio fencing around, so makes it real nice and safe for the family out on the patio. Plenty of cargo space, plenty of cabinetry. Nice big pass-through bathroom with a nice big shower with glass enclosure. Plenty of counter space. Overhead microwave, 3-burner cooktop, nice size oven, big kitchen sink with pull-out faucet, nice big pantry area, and a nice separate bedroom with a separate door going outside for exit or entrance into the bedroom, and a separate door for the cargo area. So you have two ways of getting in and out of this trailer, a third way being the back ramp door, so that's really nice. Control panel, easy access right by the door. No vents in the floor, which is nice when it comes to a toy hauler because, you know, it's not filling up with the dirt and sand that comes in from the toys. So that's a nice feature as well. So if you have any questions on the toy hauler inventory here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon, make sure you ask for me. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.